Our sis. Hello. Let's welcome the arrival of our sis, Ma'am Celine Pialado. Harapakan po natin.
Hi guys! Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, kayo? Hello. May I call Brad Giancarlo Porras for the opening prayer.
Dear Father, Son, Almighty God, bless this brotherhood and sisterhood of ours, that we may succeed in all of its endeavors. Enlighten and strengthen our Premier, Secretary General, Chairman, and Chapter Dr. Schedule. So far then, to maintain the highest standard of decision making for a better and successful Tau Gamma Phi, Tau Gamma Sigma, fraternity and sorority. Thank you.
Thank you, Brad, sa napakagandang dasal. Next, the welcome remarks and the recognition rights to be initiated by our Brad Raymark Gamad, the Grand Christilian of Howard Chapter. Brother?
Dapat naman kapagiran sa pintinangan Kapwa ang supin Lunya ang naibig Kapatid ang laging sundin Dahil saan magdarating
By the great virtue of power vested upon me as the Grand Christilian of Tau Gamma Phi Uwan Community Chapter, I, Raymark Gamad III, welcome you and recognize you as a new member of Uwan Community Chapter, Sister Celine Pialado. Congrats and welcome to Tau Gamma Phi Uwan Community Chapter.